Hey guys, went fishing again today, and I'll show you what we caught. Feel free to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos just like this. Thanks.
He wants a kiss, Ruby.
Guys, look at this chubby belly. It's been mating. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Quick, early. Guys, oh my god.
He fell in dirt.
Oh man.
We're about to weigh him. I think he's probably about a pound, maybe 2.
Where's the, okay. He's gonna eat you. Okay, stop.
Ow. Need to stop it?
Not yet. Okay, I'll pause it there. It's sick.
There we go.
Is this gonna be our YouTube channel? Go check it out. Oh,
2 pound.
2 pound, wow. 2 pounder.
I am. Junior's first buffalo sucker fish. Look like a carp, but their mouths are a little different.